All right, there's Lonnie. Hi, here's Ed. And there's our yet to be named ride. And today we are just outside of Cisco, Texas. Gonna walk these old zoo nature trails. So this ought to be interesting. We have no idea where it goes or how long it is or anything actually. We went to Eastland, Texas, and there was a museum there we were going to go to, but it wasn't open, so we decided to go here. Hopefully we won't run into any lions or tigers or bears, because all I have is a pocket knife. But it is 12:56, 78 degrees or so. Yeah.
November 8th.
Yes, November 8th. Some pretty cool cacti around here. Almost looks like this path was paved at one time or something. And of course, today I wore cowboy boots of all days.
Google about it, but I don't have any self-service at the moment.
Oh, there's dung. That's not good.
I thought there were horses out here.
That didn't look like horses dung. I was thinking from its name that this may actually be an old zoo, but henceforth the name Old Zoo. Yeah, and there's a sign up there that says Spider Rock Trail. That's up that way. I think we're gonna opt to go this way. See where these stairs lead. Oh, and then there's off. Yes, this makes me very curious of what this place was. This will be like one of our first videos that we're going to put out, so you'll have to forgive some of the editing and things like that, because we're still learning how to do this. Alright, so there's a trail over there on the rocks. Well, I think we're going to keep climbing, just since we are maybe not much of a trail. Yeah, you want to hold this a sec? Okay. Another walking path back there. Hmm. Well, we got steps. Oh, look at that. So, I bet this really truly was an old zoo, because looks like a place where animals would have drink and so forth. And I also see there's these blue pieces of ribbon tied around trees all over. Wow. See, there's more of these blue ribbons all over. And then
caverns. Vents up there.
part of a cage. Still pictures so we can put them on the page. So I am convinced now for sure. All right, here we go again. Look at this. Yes, this is definitely an old zoo. What did you find up there? So the water ponds, a little spot, part of the gate. Graffiti, of course, because people like to do that for some reason. Come down this way here. So the cages, we're actually in one of the cages for whatever animal was there. And this wall here would have been the wall at the front of the cage, and then you can see old pieces of iron.
I can give you illustrations. I take 2 cameras and
So we have, yeah, so this is the place where people would walk to come and see the old zoo. Wow. So there's one cage there, and I'm gonna step up here and we'll use a couple still shots on the banner of our homepage, I think, for this. This is a really cool place. We did absolutely no research before we came, so we can't tell you anything about this place other than it was an old zoo, obviously. You can see people come here and apparently hang out. What I find amazing is they were smart enough to turn this into a hiking trail. Now we're on this top side. I'm going to look down into another cage. This one's got a bigger water area. We can't go higher over here, huh?
oh God, but when I walk up there, when you guys here and walk
Oh yeah, they got that roped off. So that may have been a possible entrance to the place and the grand staircase leading down into the zoo. would be what my guess would be. We came from, yeah, let's go that way. So we have no zoo map. But we do want to make sure we don't run into any kind of crazy animals out here. Well, once again, I say we're still in the zoo part because things like that sticking out of the ground, or post holders or something. This is actually taking us kind of back towards where we came from. But, as we said, we don't know where we're going. Yes, this is a walking trail. I believe we've left the zoo. So I think we have to go back the other way to go through the rest of the zoo area. Which I kind of think we should. Because down this way is going to take us towards the dam that we saw. And we could hit that on our way out.
Okay. Following you.
I'm fascinated by an old zoo. All right, entering the lake trail at Cisco, you know, same thing. Spelled different is all. So, the lake trail, here we go. This will be a separate video on its own. And interesting place for a chunk of rock asphalt and a Texas bonsai tree. And there's a little house back here. And here's those Mickey Mouse ear cacti. Mickey had a rough night. Only has one ear. Oh, this is kind of cool around here. Park station right there, I guess. Water plant of some kind. I'm busy breathing right now. Yeah, nothing like an incline. But these rock formations are kind of cool. Just off to our right, there's a bridge, which is also acting as a dam, I believe. I think we can walk across that, or up to it if nothing else. Kind of see it off in the distance. Oh yeah. So there's just enough battery left to get you a view of the lake and the top of the bridge and so forth. So the Lake Cisco Bridge, built in 1927. So there is a beautiful lake. So there is a beautiful lake. Yeah, some spendy homes along here, looks like too. And then the river. So, what an eventful day. Awesome view of Texas from Ed and Lonnie, living our best life to you. Have a great day.